Here's a demonstration on how our two-way integration works. This project has been integrated with projects in both Jira and Wrike. When I create a task here, we can scroll down in the modal to double check that our integrations are working properly. In Jira, you can see that a new task of the same name and status was created too. Same thing goes for Wrike. Now, if I change the status in zipBoard, it will change the status in both Jira and Wrike. If I change the status in Jira, it will change the status in zipBoard and Wrike. Lastly, if I change the status in Wrike, it will change the status in zipBoard and Jira. If you're only integrated with either Jira or Wrike, the two-way integration works the same. Thanks for watching this tutorial.